Cash App Internet Connection. Why is my Cash App not working? When using Cash App, an active and stable internet connection is essential for the app to function properly. If the app is showing connectivity issues, there are a few common causes and troubleshooting steps to consider. Possible causes: 1. Weak Wi-Fi or cellular data. The app requires a strong, consistent internet connection. If you're on a weak Wi-Fi network or experiencing poor cellular data, it can cause problems. 2. Network restrictions. Some networks may have security settings or firewalls that block the app from connecting to its servers, particularly on public or restricted Wi-Fi. 3. Outdated app version. Running an older version of the app can sometimes cause compatibility issues, including connection problems. 4. Server-side issues. Cash App's own servers might be experiencing downtime or maintenance, causing connectivity issues for all users. Troubleshooting steps. 1. Check connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. 2. Restart device. Reboot your smartphone, as this can often resolve temporary connection issues. 3. Clear app cache/data. Clearing the app's cache or data can resolve issues caused by corrupted temporary files. 4. Update the app. Check for updates in your device's app store, as newer versions might fix bugs causing connection issues. 5. Switch to a different network. If you're on a public or restricted network, switch to another Wi-Fi network or use mobile data to rule out network restrictions. If the issue persists, checking Cash App's status page or contacting their support might provide more specific solutions.